Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to use Paysafecard on Google Play? Today I'm going to show you how to use Paysafecard on Google Play. Let's get started. Before you begin, ensure that Paysafecard is available in your country and supported for Google Play transactions. You can check this on the official Paysafecard website. Next, purchase a Paysafecard from an authorized retailer or online. These come with a unique 16-digit PIN that you will use for transactions. To add Paysafecard, open Google Play, tap on your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions section, then select Add Payment Method. If Paysafecard is listed, choose it and follow the prompts to link your account. If you have a Paysafecard PIN, enter it in the appropriate field on Google Play to add funds to your balance. Make sure the amount covers your intended purchase. Now, browse Google Play and select an app, game, or any other app. At checkout, choose Paysafecard as your payment method and confirm the transaction. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.